In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download YouTube video to USB flash drive. Start by opening YouTube in your web browser and make sure you are signed in to the account that uploaded the video. Click your profile picture in the top right corner to open the account menu. Then choose YouTube Studio. This takes you to your creator dashboard, where all your uploads are managed. Keep in mind, you can only directly download videos you've uploaded. The download option won't appear for content you don't own. Inside YouTube Studio, look to the left sidebar and click Content. You'll see a list of all your uploaded videos. Find the video you want and select it using the check mark next to the title. With the video selected, go to the top of the page, click More Actions, and then click Download. YouTube will prepare the file. This can take a little time depending on the length and resolution of the video. When the download begins, your browser will save the file by default. It usually goes to your Downloads folder. Larger files can take several minutes, so let it complete before moving on. Once the download finishes, open your computer's Downloads folder to locate the video file. It's typically an MP4. Right-click the file and select Copy. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, press Ctrl+C. Now insert your USB flash drive. Open File Explorer. Look for your USB drive in the sidebar and double-click to open it. If you plan to keep things tidy, you can open an existing folder on the drive before pasting. But this is optional. Inside the USB drive window, right-click an empty area and choose Paste. You can also press Ctrl+V. Watch the progress bar and wait until the transfer is fully complete. When the copy finishes, your YouTube video is now available on your USB flash drive and ready to use on other devices. That's it. Thanks for watching.